This right here is Piper auratum, known as root beer plant. It's a cousin of black pepper, which is Piper nigrum. Also a cousin of kava kava, Piper masticulum. I think I'm saying that correctly. But the root beer plant is a very pretty, shady or half shade perennial from the tropics. It will freeze to the ground and come back, provided your winter is not that rough. Has an incredible root beer scent. If I broke these leaves open, you can slice them up and brew root beer out of them. I mean, just the leaves. My wife has put kombucha tea and poured it over the sliced leaves, and it comes out tasting just like root beer. It's pretty incredible. Now let's take a look at the actual plant that root beer used to be made from. This here is a little sassafras tree. Totally different species than the root beer plant or Piper auratum. And you can see the different shapes to the leaves, the double and the mitten and the single. The sassafras tree was used for a long time to make sarsaparilla and to make root beer with, and then somebody, I guess, force-fed tons of it to rats, and then the rats died and it got banned, and then they replaced the flavoring in root beer with wintergreen, and now you have a pale imitation of root beer. But you can make your own root beer from the sassafras plant, or if you live where the sassafras plant doesn't grow, further deeper into the tropics, you can make it out of the root beer plant. Fortunately, I'm right in between the tropics and the temperate zone, so I can grow two types of root beer on my own property. So there you go. Sassafras and the root beer plant.